I know that you guys do recognize this guy and you are not feeling sorry for him because he did this to himself. And I know for a fact that you are not wondering how he got here, which is what I want us to talk about here in this video. So do stay tuned. And before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. It looks like my guy finally accepted the situation and moved out of Zolega's house. You know, I saw it on the Thursday episode when he was talking to his brother, telling him that Zolega has changed and that there is no hope of them getting back together. I think that was his accepting stage, whereby he was starting to accept that Zo is no longer into him. Pela, at first, my guy struggled believing it. Even after Zolega kicked his sister out of the house, my guy was convinced that Zolega is just angry and that she'll get over this whole thing and come back to her senses. Not knowing that while he is dropping the ball at home, Lazarus is busy scoring and taking points at work. And coming to think about it, Zolega now no more Delilah. Yazi ngizama ucabanga la ukuthi if she was not flirting with Lazarus lapha emsebenzini, was she ever going to consider divorcing Muhlati? Because I doubt that was going to be the case. I think she was never going to dump my guy if there was no man in her life. Kodwa ke talking as a guy, my guy Muhlati messed up big time, which is why I think that it deserves this, especially after what he did to Thumeka. Now, as we're seeing on no screens, he finally left Zolega's house and found himself a small shack, and he's miserable. This visual are showing us that he's now a drunkard, lonely, and wait to see how long is his downfall going to last. So, comment in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoy content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.